Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete an event or task in Google Calendar. So if you want to cancel an event and you want to delete it from your calendar, this is what you are going to do. First, you can open the Google Calendar apps on your phone. And then here, let's say I want to cancel an event on the 25th October. So you can just click on the date or on the event directly in here. Click on it. And there will be this options, the three dots icon. And here you can see there is the delete option. You can just tap on delete and Google Calendar will confirm again you want to delete this event. If you are confirmed, you can just tap on delete, and when you go back on your calendar, the event is now deleted. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.